Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create the double exposure effect in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of the Pixlr website where we can get started with logging in. So here in the upper right corner, you'll have the option to log in or create an account if you do not already have one. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr, where we can get started with opening up the AI photo editor. So that's exactly what we are going to do. Go ahead and click on it, and after clicking on it, it's going to open it up in this new page where you can get started with selecting an image that we want to use. So I already have my image right here. You can select a new one from your PC, and now we can get started with using the double exposure effect. So basically guys, as you can see, after opening up the images, you will need two images that you want to use the effect for. You will see this is how you get started using it. So merge two images together with Pixlr to create a seamless silhouette. So this is what we're going to do. Basically, to do this, you will have to go and open up the option right here. So as you can see, after selecting the first image and selecting the layer option, choose add image and select the second one. So you can use the color mask tool to mask the following the outline of the subject image, and after that you can go and select the blending option in the toolbar. After selecting blending mode that works well with your images, then you can go ahead and get started with the final step, add adjustments, layers, and so on, all the effects that you need for your silhouette effect to get it on the desired level. So all the info that you need is right here at the left side screen. This is the toolbar with all the options that we can use. If you want even more options, you can go ahead and upgrade to premium to get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.